What's happening? Johnny Snow back in the building, and today we getting ready to put some new clothes on the beast. My Taurus Raging Hunter 357 Magnum, alright? When I did the unboxing on this, I'll let y'all know that when I ordered this thing, I thought I was going to have a red stripe going down the back. And I don't have the red stripe. I mean, the grip is cool and everything, but I thought I was going to have a red stripe. And let me show you guys this. It has the stripe pad in there so I can, the dry fire pad in there, so no bullets. All right. But I thought they sent me that, but in all actuality, y'all know I put wood on everything. So we finna see which one looks better, all right? I got this from MW Grips, MWGrips.com, MWGrips.com. Phil Macias, I'm sorry if I am butchering your name, that is my bad. But he made this beautiful work of art right here. He made this beautiful work of art, and we finna go ahead and put this thing on. As you know, it's real easy to change these grips out on these Tauruses, all right? All you need is your Allen wrench, and you have one bolt down there on the bottom. So get your wrench on up in now. Then after you take that off, you gotta do the wiggle wobble. Start wiggling, try to get it on off of there. As you wiggle back and forth, you'll see it starting to come on off. Boom. That's all it is to it. That's all it is to it. Take your new one, get it on in there. You gotta pop it a couple times. Let me drop it on there. There we go. Do that one more time. Let me get it one more again. All right. So we got it on there. Now you get your screw that is supplied with the grip. Get it in there. Oops, wrong one. There we go. And the screw pushes it the rest of the way in. Alright, so here, let me take this out so we can get the full picture. Alright, so that's what she looked like with the wood on. She definitely feels better in the hand. Definitely feels better in the hand. And all right, y'all, tell me what you like. Do you like the plain black rubber grip, or should I keep this wood on here? Because like I said, I put wood on everything. Put wood on everything. So there we go. We got the wood on the Raging Hunter. And remember, we have MWGrips.com. MWGrips.com. That's Phil Macias. And hit me in the comments. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. And Johnny Snow up out.